Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a beautiful, cozy papercraft diorama using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered tool that will help you to create any AI images, like maybe AI talking photo, avatar video, and then product showcase, product photo, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create a creative AI image, the beautiful, cozy papercraft diorama. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI and then go to more, go to image studio and then choose AI designs, upload your photo like this, and then next just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like that, you can just copy my prompt in here. And if you want to tweak it as you like, just tweak it, and then after that just choose your AI model in here, and then just choose your ratio, and then after that just click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, let's just take a look. Okay, that's it. In just a few moments your photo will be transformed into a charming cozy papercraft like this, and I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.